Update, guys. Here's what's going on. Walls are ripped out. We're finding all kinds of crazy stuff that was done from years ago. Check this crap out. Everybody, thanks for joining me. So here is today's final as far as where we are in the rebuild of this room, which is kind of like a version of this old house. Yeah, here's kind of a lot of what we found. There's going to be clips of termite damage and clips of construction. Nah, we'll call it destruction. And then I'm going to show you like some very peculiar things that were going to have to be addressed. Here we go. So, exterior wall. Now, if I press on it, it's not even connected anymore. It like moves. The board at the bottom either has completely disintegrated, supporting the wall, or it was never there to begin with. So we're gonna have to repair all of that after we tear out the flooring. These boards lined up here weren't even attached to anything except for the piece of drywall that was there and were scabbed in. So those are all gonna have to be replaced. There's a total, I think, of 12 uprights that have termite damage and crazy spliced in stuff like this. And what is this? It's not even nailed to anything. So all of this is getting ripped out and repaired tomorrow. This is behind the door. We found the old door that led to the master bedroom when it was the master bedroom. In the previous one I showed the crazy wiring going on over here. All of this has termite damage and is coming out, and you can see down through here to the actual ground. So all of this is going to have new boards put in. And these two boards, I think, were put in to just support the paneling on the back side and nothing else, because they're not attached to anything but that paneling. So those are going to get ripped out and redone. These boards here are the original exterior boards that are all really good pine, so we're leaving that. You kind of see that exterior there. So yeah, the ceiling is all ripped out. There's we found another layer of drywall up there. We're gonna leave that up and just put in some more slats here to be able to attach the new paneling that's going to be going in after they repair all these studs. It's becoming quite the journey, and it's going to be really amazing whenever it's all done. I've decided that the wall over here, this wall that is right when you come in the door, I'm going to leave flat. I'm not going to put any shelving on this wall because I'm going to put in a new outlet that we took out here. I'm going to put another one higher, I think over in this area, or I might move them both higher because I'm going to have a table here, so I think I'm going to have them both higher here and have this as my the one flat wall in the room, so that I can have my rolling table that I want to have in here for doing like ironing and cutting go up against that wall. So that's just going to be a flat wall. I also went to Home Depot today because I had to pick out the wall paneling and the ceiling paneling that I want to put up and send all of that to the contractor so that she could get all of that ordered to be delivered. And while I was there, I went to the paint section, and in the mist tent area of the paint, I found a gallon of interior paint that's a very light gray that I'm going to put on the ceiling, and I found a gallon of a very, very light cream color, like it was called eggshell, to put on the walls at a deep discount. Good quality paint, $20 for the 2 gallons of paint. So score. So that's the color scheme that I'm gonna have in here, and yeah, I think that's all for now. Next update will be in a few days when they come back and get all of the uprights repaired and ready to put the paneling on. So I'll see you then. Thanks for stopping by. Give me a thumbs up and a hi. And any comments if you've ever had any kind of crazy stuff like this in your house that you've had to repair. Like I said, my house was built in the 50s. This particular room was part of the house that was originally built in the 50s. That's why it still has original wall here. So building codes and things have changed a lot since then. So yeah, it's fun, and I'm bringing it all up to code. Every piece of wiring, when I talked to him yesterday evening, every wire, every single wire in the entire place is getting all replaced all the way back to the panel with the new code ready wire. So all of the white wire, all of the paper coated, everything is getting taken out, all new junction boxes, all new, yeah, everything done right. So that's gonna be fun. So I'm super excited to get this project finished so that I can get all the fabric moved back in here and it a functioning storage room that I can access. So thanks for stopping by. See you later. Bye.